Got my coffee, got my BoxyCharm Premium, and yeah, we're about to get down and see if we have 2 months of crap or if they redeem themselves this month. So if that sounds interesting to you, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, seriously, we're doing the BoxyCharm Premium unboxing and try-on. I always do a try-on so that people can actually see the products in action and not just what I got in my box. Yeah, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription box. It's $25 for the base box, and the premium that I have here is $35, but I got my premium first, so that's what we're doing. If you're interested in anything BoxyCharm, I'll leave my link down below, and yeah, let's get into this video, shall we? Alright, so when you open the box up, you get your little card. This month is Mother Nature. I'm assuming that's a play off of this month being Mother's Day, and holy crap, I have variation 45. Holy, that's a lot of, is it just me or is that a lot of variations? Okay, so we're gonna open this baby up. Okay, that's an awfully big box for that little bit of stuff, but let's just go down the list, shall we? The first thing is the Kevyn Aucoin mascara. This baby retails for $29. It says the Expert mascara has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest, and while being soft to the touch. Oh really? Even after multiple applications. It is formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. Okay, it feels heavy. Alrighty, let's see what kind of wand we got on here. Oh, it's in there really tight. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. It's got like a hook shape. Can you see that? Okay. I guess we'll try that out, even though I have my Anastasia and my Fenty one open. Been loving the Fenty one, by the way. Anyway, moving along. The next thing in my box is a choice item. I can't remember what the other choice was, but this was what I chose, and this is the Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Matte Bronze. Oh, it's a matte bronzer. For some reason, I thought it was going to be a glowy bronzer. I still think it's going to be. But it says, this best-selling chocolate soleil bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in long-wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder infused bronzer created with real shimmering gold that smells like chocolate dream. $30. So yeah, I knew I'd eventually get that up. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that packaging. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. I don't know if I'd call that chocolate, but anyway, you get a mirror on the inside and it's like a magnetic closure. That's cool. Okay, I'm excited about that. Next thing on the list is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. It says a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich bronze oil provides skin with a surge of hydration, vitamins for instant good for you glow. Wear on the cheeks as a glowy blush or on the lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Okay. Mini size fits in your bag, pocket, or tiny apartment. I live in a tiny place. So anyway, this little guy is $15. Right. Okay, it is a screw-on cap. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I just screwed it up a little to get this cap off, and I'm pretty sure I dug my nail in it. But, yeah. Okay. That could be pretty. I guess we shall see. The next thing in my box is from a brand called Paddington Beauty. It's a powder and contour brush set. High performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. $90 for 2 brushes. Are they gonna put my shit on for me? They better for $90. And they don't have any numbers or anything on them. They feel really soft. They're heavy. They definitely feel better than the last brushes I got, but $90, really? Come on now. Next thing in my box is from Tarte. It's Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter and Balm. Okay, it says you'll have the real MVP most valuable pout. With this hydrating butter lip balm, your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. $12. Okay, it's cute, I guess. I have like 2 other balms open right now, but we're gonna try some of this. It's really lightweight. Okay. Smells good. That's cool, I guess. Moving on. Looks like the last thing in my box is from KVD Beauty. It's the Inkwell Liquid Liner. Meet KVD Vegan Beauty's most bulletproof eyeliner yet. Inkwell Liners super innovative formula sets the bar even higher with this extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof, all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe, one matte opacity with no layering needed. This formula of the future features weightless flex technology to lock in quick drying color that moves with your skin for a finish that doesn't fade or crack. $20. That was a mouthful. I got blue. Okay. Anyway, so we'll throw all my boxes on the floor. I'll pick them up later because that's the way we gel here. And I better shake this up. I woke the monster up. That's alright, we don't have a lot to try on. He'll play for a minute, hopefully. There's that. Oh, it's a really tiny... I don't know about... See how I was trying to fill that in? Anyway, we'll try it out. Okay. Let's get to this try-on portion. I'll get most of my face done because we don't have much to try here, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I have quite a bit of my liquid products on, so let's try out this as a cheese stain. I've never used anything like this, so closest I came was the Natasha Denona. Is that a hunk product? Uh-huh. Okay. Moving on. The closest I came was the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow. And I love that. So maybe I should use a brush for this, because that's what I use with my Natasha Denona palette. So let's give her a shot. This is one of the brushes that I got, I believe it was last month. The Opulent Beauty ones. So, sorry if you can hear Thomas in the background. Seems to be blending out nicely. Definitely a light wash of color. Let's put a second layer on, because I'm going to be putting powders on top. So, I want you to be able to see it. Why is it chunking off like that? Do you see that? It's the second chunk. Maybe because I hit it with my nail. That's smoothed out now, so it shouldn't happen anymore. And I'm using some of my favorite products. My Estee Lauder foundation, my Tarte Shape Tape. So I know how those products perform. Let's see how this goes on top. Very, very light wash of color. Very light. I don't know, maybe a sponge. Let's try the sponge. What do you guys think? Alright, let me powder down my face and we'll get to the bronzer. I guess we'll set like under my eyes and stuff with this, and we'll use this for the bronzer, even though they're not clean. So I'm gonna pat out any creasing I got going on anywhere. Okay, gonna use my Ciate London Everyday Vacay. Smells like coconut. I hate using brushes that aren't clean, but here we go. This is a decent powder. I really enjoy it, especially enjoy the smell. I mean, it does the job. So, what can I say? Anyway, let me get my big powder brush to do the rest of my face. Well, I guess if you're into that barely there blush look and you have to powder, this would be okay. But for me, I mean, in real life, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing blush, so there's that. Alright, let's hit this bronzer up, shall we? With this guy right here. We're gonna get a little bit on the brush. I don't know if that smells like chocolate to me, but okay. I should have definitely started with my forehead. That's interesting. Not sure how I feel about that right this second. It's definitely got pigmentation and blends out really nicely, but I'm not sure about the color on me. I'll have to wear it for the day and see how I feel about it. But what do you guys think? How was your Mother's Day? I had a really nice Mother's Day. My son got me a card and some chocolate covered cherries, so that made me feel really, really good. And my daughter was there, and I got to do makeup on all the girls, all the grand girls, and my daughter and my stepdaughter. We always have a lot of fun together. I really enjoy being with everybody. So, and we all have been quarantined, so we can't catch nothing from each other. But Florida's opened up anyway. They opened up Monday. What about your state? Has your state opened up at all? I'm curious to know. Anyway, what do you guys think? Definitely need to add some more cheek blush, and I don't want to ruin my face. So I think I'm just going to add a little bit of my hourglass one that I got in my Boxy, I think it was Boxy pop-up last time. I got, because I already had the diffused heat that I really like. This is the DimFusion. And I really like this one too. So, and I think for today, since I've seen other YouTubers do it, I'm going to try something a little different. Oh yeah, there we go. Just a little bit more of a hint of color. I think I'm going to try, I like this brush, by the way. I like the way it put my bronzer on. Yeah. Anyway. So, yeah. I'm going to put some of this on my eyes. You'll see. I've seen a YouTuber do it before, so. Alright, so they just take a big fluffy brush. This is my Farrah, just a big fluffy brush. I'm going to dip it in to that chocolate bronzer and just like do a wash of color through my crease. Like so. Now this could be where the whole video gets ruined. But we're gonna try. Oh, hey. I planned on filming another video. So I had a blue tank top on. Worked out. Anyway. Let's see. I'm not good at this, so bear with me. Leave all this stuff. I need my mirror real close. Okay, about 1,000 dips in. I think I have it done. Now I have to match the other side. Wish me luck. A lot of luck. Okay, for about 1,000,000 hours I've been trying to get this to match, and that's the best I'm getting. I'm gonna try to put some of this in my waterline too, I think. Or not. Try this. Oh, holy cow. Don't do that because it tries to dry so fast. I'm trying to get chunks actually in my eye, but I'm going to match the other side for the sake of this video and move along. Alright, so the more I'm trying to fix this to get it to come out how I think in my brain, the worse it is getting, so we're moving on. And Thomas is getting really unhappy. Alright, so I got my lashes here drying, also from Boxycharm, the Gia Lash. Let's try out this mascara, shall we? I really like the wand, how it's curved like this. Kind of just hugs right along your lashes. Now this isn't going to be perfect because I got that blue liner that I couldn't get out of my lashes really. So I'm going to use this more than just right now, but I mean, if you don't like wearing falsies, you might consider this. Let's see. I'm going to do a couple coats of this. And we'll see what we think. I really do like the separation it's given. This eye look was a cool concept, just not well executed. But anyway, this is the mascara. It's looking a little wonky. Like I said, I got the eyeliner all in my lashes, so it's, yeah, not perfect. But I'm going to pop some lashes on and we'll get to the final thoughts, and I'm going to think I'll put some of this on my lips. Alright, so I popped a little of my Jaclyn Hill highlight on. Yes. And we're going to put this on our lips. Oh yeah. Definitely the route I would probably go with this product personally. So, yeah. Let me pull my hair down and we'll get to final thoughts. Alright, so I finished things off with my iconic setting mist, and this is the final look. Not what I had in mind, but close. That product dries out so fast. This product, this Kat Von D, it dries so fast it's almost drying as you're applying it. So it makes it really hard for me, being not a makeup professional, to work with. So yeah, maybe just a fun little line or something, but trying to do what I had in mind just didn't work for me. But if you're good with liner and wings and all that, it'll probably work for you. It's operation error, I'm sure, because yeah, I'm not good at this stuff. As far as the brushes go, I really like the bronzer brush, and it's really soft. Would I pay $90 for these? Not a chance in hell, but that's just me. The most expensive brushes I have, that I purchase are from Sigma, and I usually wait until they have kick butt sales. Just saying. This bronzer, I think I like this bronzer. I'm going to look at my face in daylight and see and use it a couple times. But, yeah. The lip balm is lip balm. I guess I'd have to use it for a while to know how I truly felt about it. The Milk Makeup lip stuff, to me, it was kind of a fail on my cheeks because I have to powder. And that makes it to where, I'm really sorry, guys. That makes it to where it doesn't show up. To me, it didn't show up enough under the powder to work good for me. Personally, the mascara, I think I'm going to really like this mascara. I can't remember the last time. It might have been my Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. It was the last time I was super, super wowed by a mascara. The Fenty one is really good. And so is the Anastasia one. The Anastasia one, however, I get like this rainbow thing. And I think it's because it's a thinner formula than the Fenty. That's another video. This mascara, if it doesn't give me that rainbow thing, and I don't think it will because it's thick like the Fenty formula, this is going to be something I really, really like. And how much was this guy? 30 bucks, 29 bucks. So, I mean, all in all, I'm not totally disappointed in my box. I'm not totally wowed either. That being said, my box I added it up before I came back on camera, and my box retailed for $196. But I mean, $90 brushes for 2 brushes is kind of ridiculous to me, but it's cool. I only paid $35 for the box, so yeah. Hang on. Okay, so editing Teresa. Thank you so much for watching my video. I want to say that in every video because I really appreciate when you guys take the time out of your day to watch my videos. And yeah, sorry Thomas was such a punk in this, but he's special needs. He's like a baby. He doesn't understand, you know, when you tell him, oh, be quiet so I can film. So yeah, I really appreciate if you did watch this, and I just wanted to say that. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I would appreciate that too. And check me out on Instagram, @t.beauty. I'm going to wrap this video up because the sun is going behind a cloud. I'm losing my lighting. My kid's driving me nuts because he's spoiled rotten. So that's going to wrap up another Teresa Tries tutorials. And this was definitely a trial and error process. But yeah, let me know what you think. How bad did I do? Are you really good at liner? Because if you are, be nice. I'm not, obviously, but I do think this is a fun and cool look, actually, and I'm almost a little bummed to wash it off. Hopefully my drunk elephant works as wonderfully as it always has with all my other products. And yeah, lots of love from me and Thomas to all of you, or at least me. He's jealous of you, and I hope you're having a wonderful night or day, whatever time you watch this video. I'm going to sit down and edit it and try to get it up in a couple hours. So yeah, hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day. I know I did. I hope you have a great week, and we will see you on the next Teresa Tries tutorials. Bye guys.